Welcome. This is a 10-minute yoga full body stretch. Feel free to have some blocks nearby in case you'd like to modify. Do listen to the body, and if anything ever feels too intense or just not right, feel free to skip it or come to something that feels best for you. Let's begin tucking the toes and sitting the hips on your heels. This can feel really intense, so feel free to lean forward or lean on a block or some books. Wherever you are, drawing the breath into the belly. Exhale, softening the belly. Release, shake the toes, take your time here. Placing the left foot between the hands. And begin to walk the left foot towards the left side of the mat for lizard pose. Hands are planted on the inside of that left foot on the mat. Option to place your hands on a block for a little more height here. Do listen to the body again. No need to enter the full expression of this pose. Give yourself some height if that feels good. Wherever you are, hugging that left knee into the arm, making sure you're nice and active here in the legs, tucking the tailbone, and drawing the sternum forward. Very slight movement, but you'll notice as you work through your alignment that you notice a deeper stretch. And we'll rest here or roll onto the outer edge of the left foot, gently splaying open the left knee. Taking your gaze over that left shoulder, gentle twist. And we'll inhale back to center, and on the exhale, sending the hips back, peeling the toes off the mat for a half split. Inhale, bending the left knee. Exhale, release back into your table. Take a moment here. When you're ready, planting the right foot between the hands, take your time, walking the foot towards the right side of the mat for lizard pose, hugging that knee into the top of the arm. Option to use a block under the hands. Resting here or roll onto the outer edge of that right foot, splaying open the right knee, gazing over the right shoulder. Inhale, release. Exhale, sending the hips back for a half split. Really pressing in, driving into that right heel. Toes are pointed up. And we'll inhale, bending the knee, release. Exhale, coming right into your table. Take a moment here. And we'll go ahead and drop the belly. Inhale, gaze up for cow pose. Exhale, rounding through the spine, gaze down for cat. Continue syncing breath with movement. Coming to a neutral spine, keeping the hips exactly where they are, begin to walk the hands forward, melting the chest down, resting the forehead or chin to the mat for puppy pose. Again, feel free to use a block under the forehead if that feels good. Inhale, release. And we'll send the hips towards the heels for child's pose. Hands resting beside your hips. Drawing the breath into the chest. Exhale, softening the upper back and the shoulders. Drawing the breath into the belly. Exhale, softening the hips. Inhale, rounding up one vertebrae at a time. Let the head come up last. And we'll go ahead and cross the ankles, coming to our backs. We'll hug the right knee towards the chest, keeping the back flat on the mat. Go ahead and cross the right knee over towards your left for a supine twist. Option to place a block or pillows underneath that right knee for a little added support. Again, no need to go into the full expression of this pose. Stay wherever you feel most comfortable. We'll use our inhales to create that space within the body, utilizing your exhales to soften the body. Take your time here working through the body from the shoulders to the feet. Inhale, release, switching legs. Left knee crosses over towards your right. Once again, utilizing your inhales to create that space. Exhale, allowing the body to soften, to become heavy and surrender here. No tension in the shoulders, the legs, or feet. Inhale back to center. Begin rocking the knees side to side. Hug the knees towards the chest, grabbing the outer edges of the feet for happy baby pose. Option to rock side to side. Release, hug the knees. Big hug here. Rolling over towards your right. Full inhale. And exhale. Gently come to seated. Inhale, hands up overhead. Exhale, heart center. Thank you for joining. Namaste. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it below, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any updates on future videos and live streams.